I started by placing all my outfits all separated on my bed, just so I can see them and match them with the heels and shoes that I wanted to take on this trip. I also took 2 extra ones just in case, and I packed all my outfits in these Amazon packing cubes that I got. I'm going to be listing everything down below, so don't worry, you guys are going to have access to everything. I don't like packing, you guys, so I literally roll all my clothes. It's embarrassing, but this is the first time that is actually very convenient, because I was able to fit like 4 or 5 dresses in one cube, and there was room for more. So what I did was I took the 2 biggest cubes and I packed my outfits, and then the rest of the cubes, because I bought a pack of 9, I believe 8 or 9, you guys will see it in the video. The 2 biggest ones were for outfits, one just dresses and the other one tops and bottoms. In the 3rd cube, I packed all my bathing suits and my cover-ups. I did not fold them nicely because honestly, you don't really have to, but it was nice to have them available and know exactly where they are. I did pack or just rolled, as you saw, my first cover-up, because it's kind of like a scarf or whatever. So it was just nice to have all my cover-ups together and my bathing suits available. If you are like me, I just literally throw them in the suitcase, and then when I'm on vacation looking for them and I can't find them, I get frustrated, and then I end up wearing one that I don't want to wear that day. But didn't happen this time, so it was very nice. The 2nd cube is packed with my underwears that are right underneath my PJs, which I am folding right now. And I also had that blue bag, which is a holder that I got from a local lady that makes masks. I'm going to be listing everything down below. She makes masks and mugs, and they're just so cute, so I'm going to be listing them down below because we're in a pandemic, so I had to take masks, you know. These 2 bags, I'm going to be using them to pack my personal stuff. This is actually my emergency bag, the black one. So if you don't have one, boo-boo, get one, because anything can happen. So yeah, this is my emergency bag. And boo-boo, if you don't have one, what are you waiting for? Because anything can happen. So I'm using 2 bags for our personal items. In this bottle, oh my god, TikTok taught me again. TikTok is just like a legend. TikTok, the legend. So this is a dispenser with 4 small dispenser bottles, and you can pack add whatever you want, like lotion, body wash, gels, whatever you want. So you open it from the top like you saw, and you struggle like me trying to close the bottle again. So once you do, you will feel it. It will kind of click a little bit, and once it's secure, you rotate the bottom part and then click or push on the top, and then you can dispense the product that you added. It also comes with these labels, because 2 of us were traveling and we were there for about a week. I added the same product in all of them. And by the way, these come in a pack of 2, so you have 4 dispensers in total. So I have one for body lotion and then the other one for body wash. And we were there for almost 1 week in Mexico, humid and hot 24/7. We were in the bathroom at least 3 times a day, and these 4 dispensers were definitely enough. Like, we literally ran out the last day, just so you know. here I'm going to be putting my personal stuff, like I said, shaving cream, deodorant, toothbrush, and in the other bag, which it was, and in this small pocket here, I'm going to be putting some panty liners because I'm a woman. Yay. You never know. So in this bag is going to be, I made this black bag, which it was a gift, so it's not going to be listed down below. Our bag, so I put box spray, sunscreen, and so I also packed my lip mask. And for face wash, I recently bought this one. I've been trying it for about 2 weeks. I absolutely love it. Didn't take the whole bottle because, hey, we can't go over 50 pounds. So I just packed some in like a CVS travel dispenser bottle, whatever. So I organized this bag. I put Listerine and the 2 bottles I showed you earlier, the sponge as well to shower with. And let me show you this sunscreen because you need to get on it. It's really, really good. We used it on our vacation. We didn't get burned, and it smells really good. So what the heck? Why not try it? And if you do, let me know down below. The next item I am so excited to tell you because, boo-boo, TikTok tell me one more time, TikTok the legend. This is a pillow, but it's not just a pillow, boo-boo. It's also a pillow and a blanket. We know how cold it is on the plane. The plane is like freaking New England. Cold all the time. It's really soft and it's long enough for yourself. And if you're traveling with your partner like I was, we like snuggled together and it was comfortable and long enough for the both of us. And we also used it as a pillow. So it was amazing. Like, I'm always going to be traveling with this pillow. Everyone needs one. Thank you, TikTok. The next bag is meant for electronics, and that's exactly what I used it for because it has so many different compartments. I'm not going to show you how I organized it because you can do it yourself, however is convenient. Chargers, batteries, SIM cards, whatever. Perfect for it. It fits a lot of different things. This bag is for shoes. I'm only showing you one, but I actually packed 2 of my sandals in there. I did it later on, so that's why you can't see it in this clip. And this is a laundry bag. It looks pretty small, but we were able to fit a lot of laundry in there, so perfect. The other one is I used it for my hairspray and my hair products pretty much. You can, and it still have more room in there, but honestly I didn't have anything else to pack because I packed everything so nicely. Like, these cubes are so great. Now this makeup bag I also got from Amazon a while ago. I've been using this for years, you guys, years, and it's still in very good conditions. You can pack so many things for like so many makeup and brushes. Like, honestly, it's just freaking amazing. And this little thing is to wash your brushes. I got it from Target and I took it with me, but honestly I only put makeup on once because it was so hot. So but if you want to, pack your makeup. This next item was also purchased on Amazon. And all your jewelry can be nicely packed. I was that girl to always pack my jewelry in Ziploc bags. And then my chains and my rings and everything would just get tangled up. And I didn't have time to sit there and just untangle things. Because, hello, I'm on a vacation. I want to be drinking and having fun on a pool and by the beach. Hello. So, yeah, this was great. The next thing is my passport holder. It's so cute. It's pink. I guess you guys can see the vibe, right? So it comes with a pen, which is very handy because sometimes on the plane they have you, signed a paper or fill out a form or whatever. And we are in a pandemic, so we don't want to be touching things. So we were able to use a pen that we had handy, and fill out a form before everyone else. What I liked about this passport holder is that I didn't struggle taking out my passport, and it also has some compartments here for my cards, which I added later because I wasn't going to do it on camera, duh. But yeah, super cute, very handy, and goes with the vibe. So it's time to pack now, and so easy now. You just put all your packing cubes in there, and oh yeah, so here I show you that I added another pair of sandals in there. And yeah, I'm just putting everything in the bag in my suitcase. All right, so the next thing that TikTok taught me, oh my God, I'm so excited because I packed so freaking well this time. So this bottle, I don't know what to call it. It has a little hole in the bottom and a spray on top. This is just how it looks like. It's really small. It comes in a pack of 4 different, all different colors. And so what you do is you take your perfume and you take the little cap on from the top, and then you push down a few times until you fill it up, and you can see it on that clear part in the front. Once is all filled, and then that's all you do. I took 2 of those for my trip, and that was enough. I actually used both of them. So I used a lot of perfume because I just love perfume. But yeah, you can see it here that is all filled, and that's it. It doesn't leak out. It's not going to leak out whatsoever. So yeah, and you don't have to take your whole bottle. So you know that your suitcase is not going to be over 50 pounds. By the way, my suitcase was 52 pounds. I don't know how I managed to go over 2 pounds, but that was not a problem. So here I'm going to be including my beach towel and my beach bag. And then here in the laundry bag, I added my sunscreen and also gel that you can apply if you have any sunburns. I put it in the laundry bag just in case that it leaks out because, you know, accidents happen. But actually nothing at all happened. And I took 2 sunscreens and we used a bottle and a half, just so you know. So now I'm just organizing my 2 hats, and I'm going to be just closing my bag, and that is it, you guys. This is how I packed for Mexico, and it was the best packing I've ever done, and my suitcase was only 2 pounds over. Oh yeah, by the way, I added my 2 other shoes in this corner. That's it.